In this video I'm going to quickly highlight the difference between an equation and an inequality. So here we have 5 different relationships between x and 2. X equals 2, x is smaller than 2, x is smaller than or equal to 2, x is greater than 2, and x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, in the first example, x equals 2, this is an equation. This is a statement saying that x does have the value of 2 and it can't be anything else. So, the difference between an equation and inequality. In this example, x is smaller than 2. X could take any value which is actually smaller than 2. So x could be 1.99, x could be 1, x could be negative, x could be anything that is smaller than 2. With this sign here, x is smaller than or equal to 2, we have exactly the same situation as before, but x can be exactly equal to 2 as well. And with the greater than and greater than or equal to signs, we have the same thing, but x is either greater than 2 or x can equal to or be above 2. So you don't actually know the value of x, you have a range of values which x could fall into. And that's the main difference. So let's look at 2 different questions. So here we have 2 questions involving exactly the same numbers but with a different relationship. So if we take the first question, 6x minus 7 equals 2x plus 3. This is a simple equation where you can just rearrange the numbers and find out a value for x. So let's do that. Okay, so we have a minus 7 here, so we need to add 7 to both sides. So we'll have 6x minus 7 plus 7 is 0 equals 2x plus 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10, so 2x plus 10. And now to get 10 on its own, let's minus the 2x from this side. So with minus 2x we'll have 0 on this side, so we'll have a plus 10 equals 6x minus 2x gives us 4x. Now to get x on its own, we divide both sides by 4 to give x equals 10 divided by 4, or 2.5. And there's your answer. Now the difference in this case is only sort of appears at the end of the question. So we treat the question exactly the same, rearrange to get x on one side and a number on the other side, and then we'll see what we have in the end. So let's do that. So we do exactly as we did before. We'll plus a 7 to both sides to get 6x greater than or equal to 2x plus 10. Same again, we minus 2x, so we'll have a 4x on this side greater than or equal to plus 10, divide by 4, x is greater than or equal to 10 over 4, or 2.5. So what's the difference in these 2 questions? Well, in this case we're saying that x is explicitly equal to the number 2.5, and in this case we're saying that x can be either 2.5 or any number above 2.5, and that's the only difference. And for more complicated questions on this, look at my video on solving quadratic inequalities.